Hey, alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use the website. So basically, when you go to the website, you need to go to obviously KairiLele.com, and there's different sections of the website. So you can see here, this is the slider, which I'll show you guys. And these are the various different pages: the cart, the checkout, the sources, source page, the menu page, the my account page, and the about page. Don't worry too much about. Well, the my account page, don't worry too much about. So whenever you go to log in, you need to go to KairiLele.com/WP-admin, and it will take you to this particular screen. At this particular screen, you need to enter the username and password that I sent you. So I'm just going to enter that in now. And the password is long, so just make sure you enter it exactly or copy and paste it. Now you can put remember me and it will just remember the username, and you can click login. So what this will do is log into your dashboard. Now at the dashboard, you have the option to go to the various pages throughout the account. So for example, if I wanted to change anything on the pages, I would just go to all pages. So far you just have pages, and what I mean by pages, I'll show you in a second. So if I go to pages, in all pages, it will go to all the pages that I've created or the website has created. So you have your about page, your cart page, your home page. Now the menu page, if you want the menu, all you need to do is click on menu, and you said you wanted to change it from 45 to $3. So you scroll down to the doubles, if I can find it. Yeah, so I guess $3 a piece. I don't know if you want me to remove the 85, but I'm just gonna show you. So $3 per or piece. Well, it's up to you. I don't know. You could change it how you want to change it. So I'm just gonna delete that. So it's just like typing in anything or writing anything that you want. Don't worry too much about the text or the page builder. Just make sure you click on the visual. The text side is mostly the HTML. This is the code inside of it. So for example, if you wanted to paste in a video, you can do that here, but you can't do it on the visual side. So as I stated before, I'll show you an example. Um, I can create a video for that. I'll create a video to add to this page, but the home page has a video. So if I wanted to do that, once I'm happy with what I've updated, I'll just scroll up, and make sure you click update. So whenever you change anything on the site, you need to make sure you click update. So if you change it, for example, when you go to the next page, it wouldn't be saved. And if you change it and you updated it and you forgot what you put and you want it to go back, you can't really go back. So you got to make sure you got to make sure you're happy with what you're going to save or update. So again, that's pages. Don't worry too much about posts. So when it comes to the slider, okay, so let's go back to the home page. This here is the slider. So this is the home slider that I've put, and you can click on slider or meta tag slider, and you can see I've labeled them home page. So with the home page, you have sources, home page, cakes, and you could create one if you wanted to. So as you can see here, you have the KairiLele sign, you have the patties, the fish cake, the table, the coleslaw. I'm not too sure what that is. Then you have the roti and things. So again, as I stated, they're all different sizes. And then you have the rice and the oxtail. Again, you could delete what you want to delete. If you wanted to delete it, you just click on this X button here. If you wanted to upload a new one, you just scroll down. You scroll up. Well, it depends how you want to look at it. Scroll down or up. Click add a slide, and then find the particular. Say for example, you wanted to add this roti. You just click on that and then click. Let me just move this here. You click on add slide and it will add the slide. Or if you want to find it in your folder, you can select where it's located inside on your desktop and then upload it. So you can upload multiple, and then it will upload into the slider format. And if you wanted to create a new one, it pretty much works the same way. And whatever, like I said as before, whenever you whenever you change something and you're happy with it, you want to save it. So just click save. What else? So for example, this video here, what I did was got it from YouTube. So I'll go to that particular page, and that page is called the shopping page or shop, and you can see that I have another slider, and then I also have the video. So if I wanted to, again, this is a video, that's the code for the slider. I'll go back to the page and show you the code that you need to get. So when you want to paste in the video, you need to get the code from YouTube and paste the iframe code. This is the iframe code here inside of the text area, not the visual area, and it will show up like that. So once you click on text, you can see the code. If you click on visual, it should go back to this and you can play. Now in regards to this, the slider, as I show you here, this is the slider. You need to go back to the meta slide. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you added or you created a new slide, it will have a new number. So that example was 75. So in this particular case, this is meta slider ID 143. So if I wanted to add that to a particular page, let's say you created a slider, this is what is called short code really. So you copy that and you paste that into, so for example, if I wanted to do another page, so I'll just click add new page. If I wanted to add another new page, I can click it that way. And then just whatever, name that page whatever you want to name it, and then paste that in there and then click publish. So whenever you create a page, you have to click publish, and that's how you create pages within your WordPress website. So anything you want to change, like say for anything on the side here, you need, these are what is called widgets. So you need to go to appearance, widget. I'll just leave that, so that will save, or it will save as, it won't actually publish it, it will just save it. So you can see here, get in touch. So this is your contact information. If this is wrong, you could go here and you can edit it, and it's pretty straightforward. Again, it's just like typing. So you click on the drop down and you enter it in here, scroll back up. So this is the product research. This is nothing to worry about. This is just deals with the, if someone wanted to search for a product on your cart website, and these are just the cart, and these are just the products. So again, it shows the different products that you have on your website. So there's no product in the cart, so when there's something in the cart, it will show up. And I think that's pretty much it. So far, I mean, it's a straightforward website. It's not too much to deal with. In regards to the slider, I'll sort that out when I have a little time. And again, once you finish, you can always sign out, log out. If you're not sure, if you see any updates here, you can always click on the update, and it will show you exactly what plugins or what themes need to be updated for this particular site. So for example, all of these need to be updated, so I just click on update and have it update done. So the meta slider needs to be updated to version 3.9.0. And yeah, that's all you need to worry about. If you want to change anything on the website, so for example, I'll let that load first. So that shows it's green, it means it's done. So I'll click on pages again. Let's say you wanted to go to Rhonda's page or about page again. Let's say you're not happy with the text and you want to change something. You can click on it, and then type or click on what you want to erase or type it anew. It's up to you. If you wanted to add some stuff, say add a picture, for example, you go click here and you need to click media. Now you need to find the picture that you want. For example, I'm just going to use a media library. So if you find the picture that you want, so I'm just going to use a logo. You can upload it again. You can upload it again from your desktop or the media here, and then click on insert, and it will insert to the left, insert to the right. So you can see that has been inserted, and that's pretty much it. And then again, always click on, once you're happy with it, click on publish. If you don't want to click publish, or you're not happy with what you've done, you could always save it or don't update it. Alright, so hopefully that helps. I'll let you know. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.